Oven showing the wrong temperature units? If your oven's showing the wrong temperature unit for your recipes, here's the quick setting that flips it between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This setting is built in, no app or reset required. Step 1. Power on the oven. Make sure the oven is plugged in, flip to the cooking position, and turned on using the power button. Step 2. Hold the temperature button, press, and hold the temp and darkness button for 5 full seconds. The display will switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, whichever one it wasn't using before. Step 3. Confirm it changed. Turn the function dial to air fry or roast. You'll now see the new temperature unit shown clearly on the screen. You can repeat the same button hold again if you ever want to switch it back. If this helped you match your oven to your recipe units, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your buttons ever feel unresponsive or stuck, a quick control panel wipe with a microfiber cloth can make all the difference. I've linked a safe one below. Thanks for watching, and don't roast in the wrong units.